Hi traders, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best CASHU Forex brokers. Be sure to like, subscribe and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Regulated brokers will only accept payment types which they deem to be secure, reliable, and trustworthy. CASHU, which was founded in 2002, offers just that. A CASHU account can be funded by either direct bank transfer or credit card, and setup is considered to be extremely user-friendly. Traders who are searching for a list of some of the best CASHU Forex brokers can sometimes find it to be a difficult process, especially when searching for a safe, reliable, and trustworthy broker to trade with. So, in this video, we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best CASHU Forex brokers. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have Avatrade. Avatrade is an online, globally recognized, fully regulated financial broker, which was founded in 2006, is regulated by the Central Bank of Ireland, the ASIC, FSA, FSB, and the BVI. Over 200,000 traders choose Avatrade for their preferred financial broker. Avatrade specializes in trading through more than 250 instruments, which include more than 60 currency pairs, major stock indices, cryptocurrencies, commodities, bonds, individual shares, ETFs, and more. Their accounts feature retail, professional, spread bidding, standard, VIP, and crypto accounts, which include lower leverage, negative balance protection, risk warnings, and access to a variety of educational tools and services. Available platforms for accounts are featured on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, Avatrade's WebTrader, and also features their very own mobile applications known as Avatrade Options and Avatrade Go, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Avatrade also provides the absolute best comprehensive educational services, which cover in-depth trading guides and videos that delve into professional trading strategies, beginner lessons, introductions to advanced trading tools, trading safety, as well as a variety of ebooks that you can browse through if you are looking for a more in-depth educational experience with Avatrade. At number 4 on our list is Olymp Trade. Olymp Trade is a well-known online trading platform which offers traders multiple different assets, including binary options. Safety measures and precautions are put first by this platform, and it is considered a financial organization that keeps the interests of its clients in mind at all times, specializing in services and trading through Forex, commodities, stocks, indices, ETFs, and OTCs. Platforms are available on MetaTrader 4 and their very own Olymp Trade application, which is supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Olymp Trade offers a demo account and 2 main account types. Their basic account, which provides you with various strategies, indicators, and educational materials, as well as a VIP account with more benefits, from personal analytics to strategies and more. Olymp Trade also provides their very own help center, which delves into a variety of helpful educational topics, such as guides in platform functionality, the basics of trading, beginner tutorials, Forex guides, trading strategies, as well as a blog that you can browse through if you are looking to expand your trading knowledge with Olymp Trade. Coming in at number 3, we have IQ Option. IQ Option, a broker developed under the IQ Option Europe company, was founded in 2013, contains a CY/SEC license, with permission to provide its financial services within the European Economic Area Zone, with several other licenses from other EU local jurisdictions. IQ Option specializes and offers services in binary options, stocks, shares, currencies, and ETF trading. Featured Platform is available on IQ Option's Ultimate Investment Platform, which is supported on iOS, Windows, and Android operating systems. Accounts are available on Demo, Standard, and VIP accounts with lower minimum deposits, over 90 different types of underlying assets, 24/7 customer support services, access to their free mobile application, and more. IQ Option also allows traders to take part in their monthly online trading tournaments, which is an added bonus if you are feeling competitive. IQ Option also provides their very own educational learning center, which delves into a variety of trading tutorial videos, news, analytics, their very own trading blog and research center, and more, if you are looking to expand your education with IQ Option. At number 2 on our list is XM. XM is a globally regulated financial broker that operates with clients from over 196 countries and offers support in 30 different languages. Their main branch is located in Cyprus and is fully regulated by the CY/SEC. XM specializes in trading through Forex, stocks, commodities, indices, metals, energies, and shares. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature Micro, Standard, XM Ultra Low, and Shares accounts that come equipped with negative balance protection, lower leverage, and a variety of tradable base currency options. XM also provides their very own educational resource center, which delves into a variety of trading educational videos, a daily live streaming and podcast service, as well as free webinars that you can sign up to if you are looking for a more personal, in-depth educational experience. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best CASHU Forex brokers, we have Trading 212. Trading 212 is an online financial broker founded in 2006 and offers a wide range of market instruments to trade. Trading 212 is a global broker that is based in the United Kingdom and specializes in trading through Forex, commodities, stocks, and indices, regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority and the Financial Supervision Commission. Trading 212 is the UK's #1 trading and investment platform and is home to over 1 million traders. Their accounts feature demo, CFD, investing, and ISA accounts with lower minimum deposits, no commission charges, guaranteed stop losses, negative balance protection, a variety of base currency options, and more. platforms are available on Trading 212's web and mobile applications, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Trading 212 also provides their very own educational center, which features a variety of helpful educational videos, written educational content, news and analytics panels, as well as an economic calendar for you to browse through if you are looking to expand your knowledge with Trading 212. And those are some of the top 5 best CASHU Forex brokers on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.